Hello students, welcome again to our digital learning. Myself Poonam Gupta. Children, I hope you all are fine at home. So please complete your studies and keep learning. We are in a class of English 1 Rapid Reading and we are taking lesson number 9, the continuing part of the Song of the Engine poem. So children, now we will recall what we have done in our previous class of this lesson. This poem is about the engine. So tell me children, what engine do? Yes, the whole train works on engine. An engine pulls the whole train with itself. When it goes up the hill, it needs lots of effort to pull. Therefore, it goes slowly. And at the time the engine sings, I think I can, I think I can. And when it goes down the hill, it does not need any pull and it moves with very high speed. At that time, the engine sings, I thought I could, I thought I could. So children, now we will revise or recall that poem again. When you travel on the railway and the line goes up the hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. Though, Though, though it goes so very slowly, it sings little song. I think I can, I think I can. And so it goes along. Next para. But later on the journey, Journey, journey. Again, but later on the journey, when you are going down the hill, the train requires no pulling and the engine singing still. If you listen very quietly, you will hear this little song. I thought I could, I thought I could. And so it speeds along. Now children, we had learned this poem and read this poem. Now we will take some question from this poem. The first question is, how does the engine move when it goes up the hill? Tell me children, how the engine moves when it goes up the hill? Yes, the engine moves slowly when it goes up the hill. The next question is, what song does the engine sing while going up the hill? So children, tell me, when the engine going up the hill, which song it is singing? Yes, the engine sings, I think I can, I think I can, while going up the hill, because it needs a effort to goes up. Third question, what song does the engine sing while coming down the hill? Yes, the engine sings, I thought I could, I thought I could, while coming down the hill, because it need not need any pull when it come down the hill. Fourth, how does the engine come down the hill. When engine coming down, so how the engine come? The engine speeds along when it come down the hill. So children, please revise this and read this poem again at your home. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.